It's a really high performance roofing system. It's boat access only. It's like combining all these cool factors. So we're doing a really cool project. We've done part of it this fall and we're doing some of it in the spring, but it's a roofing project on a cabin out on the Shuswap Lake. It's boat access only. We got out there, got the peel and stick on the roof, the underlay on top of the plywood for the winter. So it sits good through the winter, doesn't, soak into the plywood and stuff and damage the decking on the roof. And then when spring comes, we're gonna go out there in April, finish the rest. We're gonna have to barge out a bunch of roofing material. It's also gonna have 3 inches of Comfortboard insulation, rainscreen, more plywood, and then another layer of underlay, and then the roofing. It's a really high performance roofing system. It's gonna be super good R value out of that, and it's boat access only. It's like combining all these cool factors. So this fall, we're just getting the peel and stick on, but in the spring, it's a project we're gonna be working on, getting the full roofing done on it. Really looking forward to it. If you've got a building and you wanna put a high performance roofing system on there, whether it's a new build or a renovation, hit the link below and get on a call with us. We can get you a custom quote on that and on what it would be to add a high performance roof system to your cabin, your house, your shop, whatever it is that you're building or renovating.